Back and forth knitting in the color block technique. This method allows you to combine yarns with different textures or colors. In my case, I'm using cream and pink yarns. Cast on the required number of stitches in one color. And then on the same needle, cast on the stitches in the second color. Purl the cream stitches first. At the color change, twist the two yarns together on the wrong side to avoid gaps. Then purl the pink stitches. On the next row, knit the pink stitches first. Again, twist the yarns on the wrong side, then knit the cream stitches. By twisting the yarns on the wrong side every time you change colors, you create a seamless fabric with blocks of different colors or textures.